So nice.
It's just
Nah,
sitting
this is
there.
where you
Yeah.
take a picture. See, it loves me.
Yes, sure it does.
It does.
It's just stressed out.
No, it's not. It
You
loves
just
me.
pat it and then let it go. Put your hand on it and then remove it again.
Go. Fly, bird. Fly. Fly.
You're not even filming the bird, you're filming his chest.
Oh, there. Buddy, what's up?
It's gonna attack your phone for us.
Right,
I hope not. Go.
No, we can literally say suicide
put your hand on it and then let go. Like, just, yeah. Not like that, just put your hand.
Go, birdie. There we go.
No, don't leave it.
I don't want to drop it.
No, do.
The
Wait,
legs
hold
are
this.
actually digging
Hold
in
this.
now.
Hold this.
Oh.
Let me
No,
just.
get out of here. You're not touching
just
me.
do this. Do this.
Just make cat noises.
No.
That's it. It should go.
No, it loves me. I'm going to take this home.
Okay,
I can actually keep it up. Take care of it. See, there's Jay. They just fly away. Okay, I'm going to take this inside. Here. What if a cat gets caught in the net again?
It's just loving it.
Stick him back in the bag.
Oh,
No.
it's not good.
Fly.
Let it just
Before you
sit.
get stuck again. Fly.
Just,
Aw.